Today, we're talking about a topic that's crucial to your overall health, your gut. If you've been feeling off lately, your gut might be trying to tell you something. In this video, we'll uncover the 5 key signs that your gut needs a reset and share actionable tips to get you back on track. Let's get started. 1. Constant bloating. Let's start with a big one, bloating. If your stomach feels swollen, tight, or uncomfortable after meals, it's a major red flag. Consuming a diet high in processed foods and low in fiber, which disrupts the balance of gut bacteria. To reduce bloating, start incorporating whole foods like oatmeal, leafy greens, and fresh berries into your meals. 2. Frequent fatigue. Feeling tired even after a full night's sleep. Your gut health could be the culprit. About 70% of your immune system is in your gut, and when it's out of balance, it can lead to inflammation and poor nutrient absorption, causing that midday slump. Focus on foods rich in prebiotics like garlic, bananas, and asparagus to feed the good bacteria in your gut. 3. Digestive issues. Next is the digestive discomfort, like constipation or diarrhea. These are clear indicators that your gut is struggling. A lot of people don't drink enough water, which is essential for digestion. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day and add fermented foods like sauerkraut or kefir to help restore balance. 4. Skin problems. Here's one many don't connect to gut health: skin issues. If you're dealing with acne, eczema, or rosacea, it could stem from an imbalanced gut. Studies show that a healthy gut microbiome supports clear, glowing skin. Cut back on sugary snacks and processed foods, and focus on anti-inflammatory options like salmon, nuts, and spinach. 5. Mood swings. Finally, let's talk about your mood. Did you know your gut produces about 90% of your serotonin, the feel-good hormone? If you're feeling anxious, irritable, or down, your gut health might be playing a role. Incorporate stress-reducing practices like yoga or meditation, and make sure you're getting enough fiber and fermented foods to support a healthy gut-brain connection. How to reset your gut. So what can you do if you're experiencing these signs? Here's a quick reset plan. 1. Focus on whole foods. Replace processed snacks with fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 2. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 3. Add prebiotic and fermented foods. Think garlic, onions, yogurt, and miso. 4. Manage stress. Try mindfulness exercises or a calming walk outside. 5. Get quality sleep. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. And there you have it, the 5 signs your gut needs a reset and how to fix it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips tailored for you. Got a favorite gut-friendly habit? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.